There were two friends in a village named Rajesh and Vikas. They grew up together and studied together. Rajesh got a software job in Hyderabad. One day, when Rajesh met Vikas, Vikas said he had a business idea. If the two of them came together, they could grow big. Rajesh said okay with his trust in his friend. Rajesh mortgaged his own house in his village for money. When the money was not enough, he took a loan from his office and invested a total of 30 lakhs in the business that Vikas had mentioned. One fine day, the two friends started a new office together. Rajesh handed over the responsibilities of the new business to Vikas and started his own job. As the days passed, Vikas' words changed. After a few days, he stopped picking up his phone, which made Rajesh suspicious. Rajesh understood Vikas' deception. He could not bear his friend's deception. When he went to the office in anger, he saw that the office was empty. He came home very sad and told his mother about the betrayal. Unable to bear the injustice done to his son, his mother lost consciousness. If he was admitted to the hospital, the doctor said that he had a heart attack. He needed an immediate operation, which would cost 10 lakhs. He did not have that much money because he had spent all his money on the business that Vikas had mentioned. When he did not receive the money on time, his mother died. Those who came to his mother's funeral consoled him. But his friend could not bear both the betrayal and the death of his mother. He looked at himself in the mirror and decided to teach Vikas a lesson. The next day, he met a lawyer and filed a case against Vikas in court. He gave all the evidence he had in the court, won the case and got back the lost money. But he went in search of Vikas, who had betrayed him, and threw him out by holding his neck. Vikas, unable to say anything in shame, left from there. Rajesh learned a big lesson in life. We can correct many mistakes in our life, but the damage caused by trusting a wrong person can be soul-crushing. It not only destroys our faith, but also the love around us. So, my friend, be careful.